In 2026, the video editing industry is filled with 100 plus different editing styles. Each industry has the specific editing styles designed for their viewers. But there is this one editing style that every single industry wants but can't get it easily because there are not many editors who can do this. But if you can master this editing style, then there is no way you are not gonna land $1,000 to $2,000 per month editing client. I am talking about this aesthetic caption style. It's highly engaging, scroll stopping, and more importantly, it connects with the viewer. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can edit this style completely from scratch, step by step. Here's what's going to happen next. First, I'm going to remove the silences and repetition from the raw footage. Second, I will add captions and animate them. Third, we will add necessary elements to make the video more attractive. And finally, we will jump into the music and sound design. With these 4 steps, you will not just learn how to edit this style, but you will also be able to make any short form content more engaging and professional easily. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Step 1. Remove the silences and the repetition. Just grab the razor cut tool and start chopping your clip. Or you can use shortcuts like me to save time. X to add a cut and Z to ripple delete. So after chopping your entire clip, we move to the step 2. Now we need 2 complementary colors for the branding purpose with the serif and sans serif, 2 fonts as well. So I'm gonna choose this for my branding. So now let's add the captions. First one is quite simple. Just grab the text tool and write it normally with the entire font. We will use the instrumental serif very rarely. Alright. Now next one has to be aesthetic for better engagement. So I am gonna open up the aesthetic caption pack, which I designed to save more time. I have here around 30 plus drag and drop different templates. So I'm just gonna pick the best one for this. Double click on it, it's gonna open a new timeline here. Copy all of this, paste it into our timeline, and done. It's that simple. Now I will change the dummy text according to our script. Now here's a trick which is going to save you a lot of time. If you are a regular Adobe Premiere user, you will know you cannot move multiple layers of text unlike After Effects. The second you select all of these, the transform keys from effect control and properties disappear, which is why I found this hack so we can move multiple layers around together. Just create a color matte, drop it underneath the text layers, disable it, and select it with the text layers. Now you will get the transform properties, so you can adjust them all at once. Alright, moving on the next one, I'm gonna pick another template from the pack and import it here. Change the text, remove the unnecessary ones, and change the font and make some adjustments if needed. And here we are done. Next, again, I'm gonna pick this one, change the text, done. Simply change the text, position, size, and make some other necessary adjustments. And here we are almost done. Just repeat the same process one more time. So now here, I'm gonna add a color matte of red color and subtitles of yellow color. Then in the next frame, I will swap the color between text and color matte. Now this is how it looks. Done. Let's move on to the next one. Now here we will use the template a couple more times to create something like this. Here we will use instrumental italic font. Now moving to the next one, I will put shorter text around and the lengthier one in the middle with the secondary font. Lastly, create this one. So now we have our captions ready. So let's move on to the step 3. Add some elements and the animation in the text. First of all, let's make this looking word more attractive. Just grab the ellipse tool and create a circle to fill the gap between O. Make sure to use the same color of the font. Now I will create 2 small circles of red color, make sure they have the same position in each O, and add a simple animation like this with position properties. Then find the anchor point and add a little curve here. Make sure to make a peak in a speed graph for more smoothness, and we got the eyes here. Now we will move to animating these captions. Now don't worry, I know animation in Premiere Pro is more like using After Effects in a 2 GB RAM computer, but don't worry, you don't have to do it manually because I have a way for you. I will be using my Premiere Pro Essential preset pack. It comes with a lot of drag and drop custom inbuilt presets, each containing a different style of animation or an effect. I'm just gonna write VS here and it will pop up here. In means all the presets in this folder will be applied on the beginning of the layer. Out means they will be applied at the end of the layer, and FX will be applied on the entire layer regardless of the duration. For this one, I will apply text animator. It's an inbuilt effect of Premiere Pro. Let's add some animation here with the Visual Suits Essential Preset Pack. It will only take few seconds. just repeat the same process. And here we are almost done. Add a cut in the beginning of the number in both layers and change the color to red, and you will get this kind animation. Simple, time saving, engaging. Next, I'll make the PU word red. Now let's nest all the layers. And to make animation here, I will use this preset. Just drag and drop it and it's done. Let's add these BS presets in this frame's caption now. And this is how it looks. For this one, I will apply text animator. I'm gonna choose fly random here and change it to words instead of letters, and you will see this. Then I will nest these together and apply this preset. Now let's create a couple graphics that are visually more engaging. So I'm gonna create 3 rounded rectangles of our brand colors and 1 line at the center. It's gonna give a look kinda like a timeline, you know. Now change the blending mode of the middle one and we are good to go. Now we will add animations in these using our presets. Now let's move on to the sound design part. For this specific video, we are going to be using 4 types of sound effects. First is whoosh, second is UI clicks or swipes, third is typing, and fourth is riser. Let's listen the final output without the voiceover. Look, editing this child can take up to hours, but thanks to these 2 resources, you can complete your edits in just few minutes with ease. So if you want access to their coupon codes because they are only available for first 20 buyers, then check description and do let me know what you think about this tutorial. I hope you will find it valuable.